Number 5 from the unseen, and this was I heard the phrase eminent domain, and that is a legal term that has to do with the taking of property by the government, personal property by the government for a public purpose. But this was so very interesting. So we're going to close on this note. Eminent domain. Number 5, it denotes change. So they said eminent domain, the ultimate transfer of power, ownership, resolution, and outcome. So the phrase in spiritual and theological context is generally eminent domain, Eminent, eminent domain, meaning supreme lordship or ownership, or the related term immanent, Immanent, meaning indwelling or inherent. The word imminent, Imminent, simply means about to happen. So we have this eminent domain, and there are three um, examples, meanings, definitions. In a spiritual sense, eminent domain refers to the concept of the divine's ultimate sovereignty and supreme ownership over all creation. Just as a government in secular law has the inherent power to take private property from public use with just compensation, the theological concept posits that the divine, as the creator and ultimate sovereign, has a supreme claim and authority over everything, over creation. The term suggests that all things, including human life and property, ultimately belong to God, to the divine, who exercised control and authority in his creation. Some theological interpretations use the term to describe how Master Jesus exercises his supreme right over creation and his people, redeeming them from a domain of darkness. This involves a, quote, just payment, his sacrifice, to reclaim believers as his own. The spiritual usage often contrasts with the world's way of eminent domain, which can limit or deprive human freedom. The divine's, God's ultimate claim in this view is seen as expanding freedom and guiding believers in discerning and following divine will.